Xiamen Qilei Backlight Technology Company Limited is located at the historical port city, Xiamen, in the Fujian province. Our factory has a 12,000 square meters manufacture base, 80 workers, 36 various manufacturer and testing machines, 3 warehouses, 10 production lines, producing an average of 200,000 square meters per month. Established in 2005, Xiamen Qilei has been gaining much experience and professional techniques from the past 14 years, providing products with a great variety, splendid colors, and excellent quality. Xiamen Qilei believes stable high quality comes from prudent manufacture processes and strict quality control. Therefore, quality control staff is dispatched to carefully monitor every manufacturing phase and take samples to the in-house laboratory for thorough examination every day. Our products are currently certified by Ecotech's CA65, EN71-3, CPSIA, REACH. Besides, Xiamen Qilei complies with the standards of BSCI and creates an employee-friendly, comfortable working environment for every member of the Xiamen Qilei family. As a result, our company is widely recognized as a responsible supplier, which considerately values product quality, environment protection, and employee welfare. Xiamen Qilei has been working with trading companies, retailers, wholesalers, craft material suppliers, and clothing brand factories. Products have been brought to Australia, China, Germany, Poland, the Philippines, Russia, Taiwan, and the USA. No matter which type of business you belong to, no matter where you are, Xiamen Qilei is diligent to provide amazing products to you.